we on humanity grounds, my beautiful people, we whether we have food on our plate, whether we have clothes on our body, whether we may have any such um, blessing which may commence in our lives, it, with all due respect, people, my beautiful gems, it is on our Lordship's approval. Oh yes, believe you me, it holds, it withstands most strongly on his command, whether we are approved to have a piece of bread, whether we are approved to have, irrespective, we may have random cravings. Oh yes, we may have random, cultivities of having food, or irrespective. I speak random, yeah. It is absolutely in our Lordship's command, His blessing, His approval, His presence with us, that may commence for us to have. Oh yes, people, believe you me, our blessings, it may be food, it may be money in our pocket, we are beggars, my beautiful people. Each one of us on humanity grounds are, at least I speak for myself, I am the biggest, I am a beggar before my Lordship. Oh yes, I am a beggar before him, and yes, and if I am blessed with food, with a shelter above my head, with clothing, it is and absolutely only with my Lordship's approval. And as a matter of fact, each one of us are, with all due respects. Therefore, I speak on walking prior to my page, that it was just a morning which may have been like as other mornings. It was a very prominent, very strong craving which commenced inside me, that I wanted to, I thrive to have that plate of sweets, which is some hot jalebi with some warm milk. However, no, people, it did not approve of who? It did not approve of my Lordship. He did not approve of it, and therefore I did not have it, people. That's how people. If in our beautiful lives, in our beautiful blessed lives, we, in our mindsets, we commence to strive to, put our mindsets as this, that if we have some such of cravings, which with most certainly each one of us will have, yes, we may have cravings, we may have, our intentions, which may be good, ugly, positive. It will commence only with our Lord's approval. Oh yes, absolutely. And believe you me, I speak on practice. I speak on what I have been actually, the page I have actually turned over. Oh yes, well, definitely. And yes, people, on the same front, people, my beautiful people, I speak on the same front, that, that today, we, each one of us, we need to thrive on speaking positivity. We need to delete our negativity. We need to strive to speak and bless the person who may have been ugly with us, who may have been very ugly with us, who may have been strongly against us, and it will it will, for certain, it will come on the same front page with in our Lord's hands before it may come to anyone else. The power, with all due respects, my beautiful people, is in His hands. Oh yes. As I spoke a little prior, that people, I ain't no saint. I ain't no saint. I speak for myself that I am a very, very ugly person before my Lordship. I will not address, most certainly, I will not address myself to be as such in front of in front of another. I confess to speak on this page in front of before my Lordship. Oh yes. And I beg for forgiveness for random, irrespective errors I may have commenced on that particular day, on my pages I have lived, on my pages I have turned over, definitely, with all due respect. And if I have to be punished, if I have to be not punished, if I have to be treated a lesson, if I have to learn my lesson, people, my beautiful gems, it is in the hands of our Lordship. Oh yes, He is the doer. Man proposes, it is God disposes. Oh yes, my people, we human beings, we have immense of our intentions and our anger, and we have our pain, we have so much of and we have laughter and we have happiness. However, we insist on striving to address our pain and our our agony before another. Why people, why, my beautiful gems? Believe you me, allow yourself to hear me out, to believe in me once, by people. Confide in your beautiful selves before Him. That is before your Lordship. Oh yes. Believe you me, I will certainly not put across to say that you need to, be a kind of, very kind of person who has to pray all day or hold a prayer book to pray all day, all night. Not at all. Absolutely. I speak for myself. As I said, I do nothing as such. However, what least I do, I will definitely put across to you to connect with you, to say that people, today's power, today's learning and today's power bestows to say that humanity has no power. It holds, it withstands, it stays strongly in the eyes of our Lord. Oh yes, we need to understand that confiding in Him, confiding in Him, our pain, our happiness, our bliss, our journey of our journey of sadness or happiness, or a moment of laughter. Oh yes, why not? People, take out some little time of yours and confide, meet with Him. Meet with your confidant, your Lordship, not as meeting, going to a temple probably. No, just connect with Him, probably being as your buddy, as your friend, as your as someone who is closest in your life, and allow him to connect with you, and believe you me, the transformation and the healing thereafter will commence beyond people. It will make you, the realization of happiness and the realization of healing will commence immediately, people, my beautiful gems. It is so prominent, it is so thereafter. We need to practice. I, of course, with all due respects, I have practiced it a zillion of times before addressing to my beautiful people, that people, let's not connect with people left, right, center. Let's connect with him. Let's connect with our confidant, our lordship, with happiness as well. Let's connect with him on a page of as we meet our relation. People, believe you me. The moment you may connect with him, keeping in mind you're connecting with him as being your friend or your, as your relation. Oh yes, believe you me, the bliss and the charm and the satisfaction and the thrill you will commence deep down is a moment to thrive on. Believe you me. I have to put this across to you to also say that there was, however, is deep down, very, very much deep down, in my life, in my system, in my mind, in my page of life, there are people in my life who have been beautiful, who are beautiful to me, and yes, people, there are people in your life who are beautiful, who are supportive, who are pleasant, who speak beautiful words to you, morning, noon, and night, and who connect with you positively, who connect with you vibrantly, who connect with you, with a charm, with a positivity, with a rainbow of grace, And yes, people, there are people as such in my life as well. And there are, there are people as such as well who are, alright, they are difficult as well. However, people, now speaking on that, who will look after that page will be my Creator Lordship. Oh yes, believe you me. Our page and turnover next page, we put across before him, that's our Lordship. It will be handled, looked after, it'll be endured, and it'll be, commenced with so much of care and, caring and presence of his, that you need not, we as human beings, we need not worry of the page where we are unpleasant and uncomfortable with another, keeping in mind they may be our relationships, very, very close relationships. Yes, people, it will be looked after, it will be taken care of, and it will be monitored very, very beautifully on his page, people. And yes, absolutely, my dearest ones, it is it is very, very, very beautifully said to say that allow yourself to give your complete self, to him, and thereafter you need not worry at all. That's, I speak for myself. Well, there may be some ugly chapters in my life as well. I hand over, or I should put across to say that each one of us, well, of course, each one of us, my beautiful people, each one of us, we need to put ourselves, give our complete self to Him. Oh yes, and the reward will be commendable, people. It will be commendable, and it will be commendable. It will be looked after. It will be treasured. It will be sorted with all due respects. And the worry, the pain, the concern will thereafter be in His hands. Absolutely. That is the trust we need to behold deep down, that once we connect with Him so strongly, we need not worry about nothing. However, deepest down, we need to understand, people, that as I have even addressed on my page prior, that people, let's not, open our mouth about those as well who may have been disaster to us, in our journey, or in our blessed journey. We should try. We should try, people, to speak pleasant of such situations, or we should try to bless that situation that may have pulled us down, and have that faith in yourself, in your Lordship, that He will, for certain, He will look after the situation. Oh yes, and yes, because people, I have to put across to you, to say, my beautiful people, that today it is it is ugly, when I switch on my cell phone device, or to visualize the news channels of it is so painful, people, of what is becoming of our lives today. What are we getting to learn today? It is so disturbing. It crumbles me down. I am sure it must be crumbling you as well. That, as I connect with my device to come across, or to meet with what may be happening around me, it really pulls me down, that what exactly is happening around us, so much of negativity, so much of pain, so much of so much of disorder, so much of venom, so much of words that have come out, which, people, my beautiful gems, which cannot be reverted back. Oh yes, people. And of course, we are human beings, people. We are beautifully blessed as being human beings, and in no circumstances are we aware that would we be blessed again being a human being, people. Oh yes, my beautiful gems. The concern, the page, the decision, the strength, the consideration, it all speaks before it lies in the hands of our Creator Lord. And the pain that we may have faced in our lives, on our pages of our journey, from people who are quite close to us. I mean, I speak random. They may have been quite close to us, and they may have given us some pain, a lot of pain, all right. And, they may have said or spoken obnoxious words to us, and people. However, all such situations are met on the page of our Lordships. Oh yes, He is, with all due respects, He is aware of all the pages that we commence with in our journey He has blessed us with. However, the strength to face this is in His hands, people. And that's when I walk behind on my page before you, that people, our cravings, whatever we may indulge, or we may thrive to, to go forward to, we can move forward only with His command, people, with our Lordship's command. We have no power on humanity grounds to have any such power to commence our movements. Oh yes, people, it is a blessing, and a blessing to be blessed with his mercy on us, to have a piece of bread, to have that cloth on our body. I speak random, people, that it is only and only in His hands, people. And it no matter how many cravings we may bestow to indulge in, people, we the approval justifies to only stay in His hands.